So we'll be having next session on C programming. So as you also saw about the sensors and all the microcontrollers. So for coordination or the working of the microcontrollers, we need to program them. Without programming, they will not work because they are sensors. For us to make them work, we need to program. Arduino programming, you will have classes later on. But for today, I will give you a brief introduction about C programming. Like how many of you have started programming? Acha, almost all of you. Or the students on group 2, they must be having their C programming in their syllabus also. Who are group 2 students here? Acha, a few of them. Okay. Acha, those who have not started, I'll give you a brief intro about the C programming. So yeah, continue. So first of all, there are a lot of programming languages now. So why we still focus on C? Because it's not that high level programming language on. So yeah, you want to say something? Why C? Yeah, correct. Although it is a mid-level programming language, but yeah, let's see. Why do we use this language? First of all, to continue with your programming, to continue your journey as a programmer with any of the languages, you need to have a knowledge of the any one language, any basic language. So why not C? Like many have start with C++ also, but yeah, C is still one of the most famous and favorite among the programmers. Most of the we start our journey of programming from C language itself. So there are various reasons of it also. It's a mother language also of all the programming. Started by Dennis Ritchie. He was the guy who started this language, or yeah. It is a system programming language. Procedure oriented programming language means yeah. System programming language. Can anyone tell me how it is a system programming language? Like not much deep in it. Basically, the answer is quite funny. Just it is used to program in system. It's system programming language. Procedure-oriented programming language because we have various steps involved in the programs. So yeah, it's a procedure-oriented programming language. Structured means we have for any of the programs or carrying out any whatever files we need to, whatever programs we are writing, we can divide it into separate blocks. That's why it is structured. And mid-level programming language means what? Like currently we are having many program. Many means the list is very long. But yeah, it's C programming language is a mid-level programming language which which coordinates among the hardwares and the softwares. So yeah, moving forward. So this is a sample C program which includes this header file. Has include stdio.h, main, opening braces, the print statement and the return. So can anyone tell me this what's about something about this header file? What? Yeah. There are many types of header files like stdio.h, like the package from where this program will get its data. Like there's a source program, like for C, for this language also, this language needs to refer something. So the package from where this language gets its data or its feed, it's this header file. Like here it's stdio.h. There are header files like math.h, string.h. There are other header files. Now moving for this main statement, the data type is integer for this program. The main statement, and yeah, this is basically a simple program. Means very simple. uh, this is return statement. So can anyone tell me about the significance of this return statement? Is it necessary or not? Yeah, it's not required, but yeah. But then also in C programming we use this statement. Like we can have a data type as void also. Like if I started here using void main, then also it's not required basically. Return is not required, but yeah, if anything, like if this program will not display any output, then it will return 0. That's why just we put this statement in our program. And then various other thing involved in that program was variable. Like yeah. So what are variables? It is the named memory location. Like memory location, it's used to store data. Like you can start. So yeah, like what's the variable here? Yeah, it's variable also. It's a kind of identifier also to identify this particular operation that that will carry on in this program. So basically, this 10 will be stored where in the integer data type under S.O.A.R. This variable, the value 10 will be stored under S.O.A.R. Yeah. Now moving forward, we have various data types in C. Like, can anyone tell me which data type that we usually learn or see is not in C? Like we have integers, double, float. Do we have string, boolean? What? Acha, you get through it and answer in the group. Which data type is not supported in C? So yeah, moving to this, there are various data types like basic and data. Yeah, the basic data types including integer, character, float, double, and derived data type. Like you'll learn about arrays, pointers, structures, and void data type is no data type. Enumeration data type enum, it's represented as that. Like for you'll study about these all data types later. Basically now you'll be learning about these two data types or the three of them, but later you will learn about enumeration data types. For integral constants, it is used for integral constants to represent integral constants. There are various keywords also. See what for a programming language to be written, there are several words which means something specific, because we can't make every words as variables now, because for writing also we need some words, so they are reserved words which can't be used as variables or other possible. They have a separate meaning for this language. Like there are set of 32 keywords in C, you can see there, and all the letters, all the keywords are in lowercase. This needs to be noticed here. There are 32 keywords in all. The identifiers, as I told you, this is the identifier also. So yeah, it has a there's a set of rules. We can't write any word at starting. There's a set of rules or instruction to use any word as an identifier. Like you can't start with a capital letter. Like yeah, only underscores are allowed in the identifiers. You can use constants like yeah, constants or numbers. Like these are some of the examples for identifiers. means valid identifiers. Only uppercase, lowercase letters and underscores digits are used. Can be used as identifiers. Oh yeah. They are also C also allows us to use various operators for performing various other operations. There are a lot of operators like those here who have learnt about C must be knowing about increment decrement operator. Like if there is a variable I plus 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 I, both are different. Yeah, yeah. Like you'll get to know about these all operators later on. So today I'll just give you a brief intro about these, not about these, just the operators. So yeah, C also allows us to mention comments. So comments, although they don't add anything to program, but yeah, they are very useful and very helpful for other programmers to get through a program. Like your friend wrote a program about something and he sent the program to you, and so how will you identify which line of the program means is for what logic? So comments are very useful there. Usually comments are written so that you can get what particular use is for, yeah, or what your friend's intention is from particular line. So two kinds of comments are there: single line comments and multi-line comments. So yeah, a single line comment. The particular format for single line comment is this: double slash, double forward slash. Don't get confused in it. There's a backward slash also. Double forward slash. So yeah, this is the particular format. This printing information, like this is a comment. So it will not be printed along with the output. It will just remain in this program itself. So like this is a particular single line comment. Like if there is something we need to elaborate or we need to write in multiple lines. So for that we will use multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with, yeah, this slash, asterisk, and will be closed by this asterisk and slash. So yeah, these two type of comment we can use in our C programs. Moving forward, various control statements. Like if C allows if else statements, switch statements, loops, whiles, do whiles, you'll get to learn. So yeah, there are various control statements. Like if else statement allows you the statement in C used to perform the operation based on some specific conditions. The operation specified in if block are executed if and only if the given conditions is true. Like if you want to perform a specific task, if you want to get out of the class, means when will you get out of the class? When the class will be over. If the class is over, the student will get out of the class. Like similarly, we can use this all things in our program. Like if like say you want to get up, like your sleep is over, then you will get up, or like you need to get to your class. Means there are various things in our daily life that we can use, like which follows a set of set of operations, like first followed by this or followed by that, multiple operations involved in it. If else statement is one of this, like we can use continuously if and if else. So yeah, if else allows these all four types of ifs: if statement, if else statement, if else if, ladder, and nested if. The sample program for the if statement, like if this program is for determining your grades as per your marks scored. So here you can see the program started with the header files stdio.h, includes the main, the data type is integer, and the variable or the identifier here is marks. Yeah, for printf and scanf. Do you know about printf and scanf? Like anybody have read about Java? Yeah. Then you might be knowing in Java, for getting the input of user. We don't have this these two specific sample program. So yeah, like this, we do have a lot of things in C program. You'll get to learn about all of those things. So we'll suggest you some from where you guys are learning C now online, from YouTube channel or particular subscription. Code with Harry, अपना college. Nice. Like yeah, you can refer any of this. We'll be sharing our content. We'll be sharing those things in our group also. Do go through the videos, get to learn about the programming, because yeah, programming is most important in this robotics, because if we'll not program or not code, then how will the sensors or the robots understand us? Because they only know about, they understand only in zeros and ones now. It's us will make them understand our language through these programs. So yeah, programming is important. You'll get this was a brief intro of the C program. There's a lot many things in that which you'll learn in the coming classes or the YouTube videos that we'll go through. There's a couple of questions here. Which of the following is the first operating system developed using C programming language? Anyone know this? Unix. Yeah, correct. Fine. Which is logical and operator? B or C? Yeah, correct. Third one. See, there's a difference between logical operators and the simple operator. Here in this program, if we are comparing something, it's the logical operators. Yeah. So moving for the next question, which of the following is not a very valid variable name? Which is not a valid variable name? Why 4? Because yeah, this dollar sign is there. We can't use this. We can only use underscores. Yeah, correct. All the keywords in C are, and how many keywords are there? 32. Yeah, correct. Which of the following cannot be a variable name in C? See if there's any keyword, because keywords can't be used as variable name also in a program. See it's anything related to your volatile. Yeah. Yeah, volatile can't be used as a. So yeah, wait. Yeah. Although today it got late, but yeah, from tomorrow onwards, you'll not be getting this much late. So yeah, volatile can't be used as a variable name. Why? Because it's a keyword. So this was from my side. My name is, by the way, my name is Amitabh Anand from Mechanical Engineering Department, second year.